Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Okay, so getting this cup holder insert might not be one of my better purchases for the Bronco, but I like the logos on it. It also came in different colors, including gray, which matches our Bronco interior's accents. You see a lot of Bronco accessories with blue, red, and maybe orange accents, but not gray. So that helped seal the deal, so to speak. It also came with a note from the manufacturer that made me feel very special when I read it. I thought you should know. Installation was super technical. Just drop it in the cup holder and center and straighten it out better than I did here. Wait a moment. And that looks better. It's stupidly simple, but I like it. Now to test it. Yep, I guess it works. But what does the wife think? Yeah, she's not as excited about it as I am. Do you like it or think I'm an idiot for getting it? Or just an idiot in general? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I guess that's all there is, so see you later.